The 250 series is HP's affordable line of office and business laptops. The devices in this series are solid work computers. This particular laptop is equipped with Core i3-10th generation processor, 8GB of RAM, SVA LCD panel with full HD resolution, and M.2 256GB Samsung SSD. The case has a textured finish that makes it look sturdy and helps it stand out somewhat from other 15.6-inch business laptops. The hinge is rigid, and is the only part of the 250G7 to have a smooth finish. The keyboard deck only bows slightly while typing, which is impressive considering that the 250G7 is mostly made from plastic. The display lid is stiff enough despite its rather thin. Left-hand side, power connector, Ethernet port, HDMI, to USB 3.0 Type-A, 3.5mm jack. Right-hand side, SD card reader, USB 2.0 Type-A, DVD drive, Kensington lock slot. SVA stands for Super Vertical Alignment and is a term created by Samsung. Long story short, SVA is a type of VIA panel that claims to bring better viewing angles. SVA means better image quality when viewing the screen from the side, above, below or in very sunny or bright atmospheres. Our review unit reached a maximum of 20 decibels at idle and 31 under load. Under load it is very silent in comparison with gaming laptops, for example MSI GP72. Let's listen to this beast. The 250G7 manages its surface temperatures well when idling. Under load too, although one area reaches a maximum of 31.2 degrees Celsius, which will feel hot to the touch. It does not get dangerously hot though, so you should have no issues with having the laptop placed on your lap even if you are pushing it hard. The HP 250G7 series offers simple 15.6-inch office laptops belonging to the budget segment. No high-quality case materials are to be expected. It is a reasonably priced office notebook that is amazingly well equipped in some areas for the price. G7 offers enough computing power for office and internet applications. It is silent enough and it will not scold you when having the laptop placed on your lap.